A neighbor gets the wrong mail.
Hello, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thank you.
I just checked my mailbox.
Did you get something interesting?
I found this letter in my box.
Is it for you?
No, it has another name.
Who is it for?
It says James Parker on it.
I think James lives upstairs.
I do not know him very well.
He is friendly. I see him often.
Should I bring the letter to him?
You can, or give it to me.
Maybe I am a bit shy.
I understand. I can take it.
That would help. Thank you.
No problem. I will see him soon.
Does he get mail here a lot?
Sometimes. The names look close.
Yes, that happens sometimes.
The mail person mixes them up.
It is not a big problem.
True. We can always help.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
A customer wants to buy something.
Hello, I am looking for the red shirt.
Hello. The red shirt is very popular.
Yes, I saw it last week.
Are you looking for a size medium?
Yes, I want a medium.
Let me check the table.
Thank you. I hope you find it.
I see small and large only.
Oh, maybe there is one in the back?
I will look for you.
Thank you. I can wait here.
I am sorry. No mediums in the back.
Oh no, I really wanted that shirt.
It is our last size. It sells very fast.
Do you get more soon?
New shirts come next week.
Can you save one for me then?
Yes, I can put your name on the list.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
I will call you when it is here.
Should I give my phone number?
Yes, please write it here.
Here is my number. My name is Maya.
Thank you, Maya. I will call soon.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Returning address for the right size.
Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? I bought this dress last week. Yes, I see. Is there a problem? It is too small for me. What size did you take? I took a medium size. Do you need a large size instead? Yes, I think I need a large. Do you have the receipt? Yes, here it is. Thank you. The dress is new and clean. I did not wear it, only tried it on at home. That is no problem. Let me check for a large size. Thank you. I really like this dress. I think we have it. One moment, please. Here is a large size dress. This looks perfect. May I try it on? Yes, the fitting room is free. I will be quick. Take your time. This size is just right. I am glad it fits well. You saved my day. It was my pleasure to help. Thank you so much.
Telling the driver about a missed stop.
Excuse me, driver?
Yes? Can I help you?
I missed my stop just now.
Which stop was it?
Maple Street. I did not see it.
You wanted Maple Street? I already passed it.
Yes, I was looking for it. I missed it.
Did you press the stop button?
I did not press it in time.
It happens. You can get off at the next stop.
Is it far from Maple Street?
Only 2 blocks, not very far.
That is good. How do I walk back?
Go straight on this road. Maple Street is left at the corner.
Thank you for telling me. I am new here.
No problem. Are you visiting or moving here?
I just moved. My first week.
Welcome then. This area is nice.
Thank you. I like it so far.
If you need help, just ask.
That is kind. Is the next stop soon?
Yes, we will stop just ahead.
Great. I will get ready.
Be careful when you step off.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Choosing a movie for tonight.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, that sounds nice.
What kind of movie do you like?
I like comedies or maybe something light.
Comedies are good. What about action?
I do not really want action today.
Okay, comedy is fine for me.
Do you have a favorite comedy?
Yes, I like that movie with the funny twins.
Oh, I know that one. It is really silly.
Yes, it always makes me laugh.
Should we try a new movie or this one?
I am open to a new comedy if you are.
Maybe something neither of us has seen.
Should we check what is on the list?
Yes, please open our watch list.
Here are 4 comedies we saved.
Oh, the one with the dog looks funny.
Yes, it has good reviews too.
Should we pick it for tonight?
Yes, let us watch it.
Great! I am ready for a laugh.
Me too. This will be fun.
Thank you for letting me choose.
Helping a classmate find the library.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
I am looking for the library.
You are close. It is not far.
I cannot find it. I am lost.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. I really need it.
Do you see the big stairs there?
Yes, I see the stairs.
Go up those stairs to the 2nd floor.
Second floor, right?
Yes, turn left at the top.
Left after the stairs.
Walk straight. You will see signs.
Are there big signs?
Yes, they are blue and white.
Blue and white. Okay. Is it far?
No, it is a 2-minute walk.
Is the door open now?
Yes, the library is open until 8.
Good. I want to study tonight.
Do you have many books to return?
Just 2 books, not many.
Great, you will find it easily.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Talking about sharing a desk.
Hi, are you new to this desk?
Hello. Yes, I am. Is it your desk?
I use this desk every morning.
I started today. My name is James.
Nice to meet you, James. I'm Maria.
Nice to meet you too, Maria.
Do you work here all day?
I am here only in the afternoons.
I leave before lunch.
That is good to know.
Where do you keep your things?
I have a small bag. I can keep it under the desk.
I use the top drawer. Is that fine?
Yes, that is fine. I will use the bottom one.
Great, we can share the space.
I did not know people shared desks here.
It is new for me too.
Do you need the chair at a special height?
I like it a bit higher. I can adjust it when I leave.
Thank you for asking. That works for me.
Do you need to use my mouse?
I have my own mouse.
We can wipe the desk after use.
That is a good idea.
Sharing a desk will work well for us.
Yes, I agree. It will be fine.
Thank you, James.
Thank you, Maria. Have a nice day.
Meeting an old friend in the park.
Nice day for a walk.
Yes, it is very nice.
I come here often after work.
I like this park too.
Excuse me, your face looks familiar.
You look familiar as well.
Are you Sam from Lincoln Street?
Yes, I am Sam.
Marcus, it is really you, Sam.
Marcus, wow, what a surprise.
It has been many years.
Yes, so many years.
How are you these days?
I am good, thank you.
Are you working around here?
Yes, my office is close.
Do you remember our old soccer games?
Yes, we were bad at soccer.
We always lost the ball.
Yes, and fell a lot too.
I missed talking with you.
I missed you as well.
Would you like to walk together?
Yes, I would like that.
Let us go around the park.
That sounds good to me.
It is really nice to see you again.
Thank you, Marcus. This is great.
Asking for gift advice at a shop.
Hello, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I need a gift for my friend.
What does your friend like?
She likes tea and small things.
We have nice mugs and teas.
Can you show me some mugs?
Yes, here are some on this shelf.
These are very cute.
This blue mug is new. Many people like it.
Is it strong? She uses a mug every day.
Yes, it is strong and easy to clean.
Does it come in another color?
There is a green one too.
Which color do you think is better?
Many people choose blue. Green is also nice.
I cannot decide.
Do you know her favorite color?
Oh, her favorite is green. I forgot.
Green is best then.
Yes, I will take the green mug.
Would you like to see some teas?
Yes, please. That sounds nice.
Here are some fruit teas and black teas.
Can you recommend one?
This berry tea is very popular.
That is perfect. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Have a lovely day.
Changing mind at hotel check-in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you. I have a booking.
Great. May I have your name?
Yes, it is Daniel Reed.
Thank you, Daniel. One night, correct?
Yes, that was the plan.
I see. May I have your ID, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. I will prepare your key.
Wait, can I ask something?
Yes, of course.
Is there free parking here?
Yes, parking is free for guests.
Can I see the room first?
Sure. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please. I am just not sure.
No problem. We can take a look together.
Actually, I think I do not want to check in now.
Oh, you want to cancel your room?
Yes, I am sorry. I changed my mind.
That is all right. I will cancel it for you.
Thank you for understanding.
You are welcome. If you want to book again, we are here.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.